Welcome. Today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, go to this icon, and as can you see, we got here the two Gmail accounts that we are logged in. And now, for example, if you want to remove or log out from one from these accounts, go to this manage an accounts on device section, tap there, and here just tap to the Google one. And as can you see right now, we got here the two these accounts. For example, we will just log out from the second one. Just tap here on this account, and here on the right upper corner tap to the two dots icon and tap here just to remove account and confirm just by tap again to the remove account. And as can you see, we got here right now just one account, so just go back, refresh the app, and as can you see, we got here really just one logout where we just log into. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.